What is Shunya campaign? In this lecture, we will learn about the Shunya campaign. Upon completion of this lecture, learners will be able to understand the Shunya campaign and its features. So, let's get it started. The Shunya campaign is India's zero pollution e-mobility campaign, which is promoting the consumer awareness around the environmental, health and economic benefits of electric vehicles, EVs. The Shunya campaign accelerating the adoption of EVs in the urban deliveries and rides with zero pollution delivery across India. On 15th of September 2021, National Institution for Transforming India, Niti Aayog, Rocky Mountain Institute RMI and Rocky Mountain Institute RMI India launched the Shunya Zero Pollution Mobility campaign across the nation. Niti Aayog is the premier policy think tank of the Government of India, providing directional and policy inputs. During the economic policy making process, the Niti Aayog uses the bottom-up approach, catalyzes the economic development and fosters the cooperative federalism through the involvement of state governments of India. RMI is an independent non-partisan, non-profit organization of experts across disciplines working to accelerate the clean energy transition and improve lives. RMI is co-founded by Amory Lovings and currently led by Jules Carton-Hast. Since 1982, RMI decarbonizing the energy systems through a rapid market-based change in the world's most critical geographies to align with a 1.5 degrees Celsius future and addressing the climate crisis. RMI India is an independent think and do tank that works with diverse stakeholders to support India's clean energy transition. Since 2019, RMI India engages business communities, institutions and entrepreneurs to accelerate the adoption of market-based solutions that cost-effectively bring a shift from fossil fuels to efficiency and renewables. In Sanskrit language, the word Shunya signifies zero, nothing and infinite possibility. It is also the root word for Shunyata, which means emptiness or nothingness. Indian mathematician Aryabhat invented zero. He used zero in mathematical calculations like any other number and developed definitive properties and rules of calculations with zero as well. Indian EV sector is witnessing structural changes and are moving towards connected, autonomous and shared mobility. Adoption of EVs and awareness on safer fuel uses are creating a paradigm shift. The Shunya campaign, in partnership with leading industry players, is bringing together consumers and industries, reducing emissions from the commercial passenger and urban freight sector by promoting EV adoption. According to the press release of Niti Aayog, the urban freight vehicles in India accounts for nearly 10% of freight transportation related carbon dioxide emissions, and these emissions are expected to grow by 114% by the year 2030. Amitabh Kant, G20 Sherpa, ex-Chief Executive Officer, CEO, Niti Aayog says, Shunya as an opportunity is going to transform the market and deploy over 11 million EVs on Indian road by 2030, accounting for 1500 billion electric vehicle kilometers traveled, EVs. Akshima Ghate, Managing Director RMI India says, Shunya as a national public awareness campaign will help accelerate EV adoption. By creating a replicable and scalable roadmap for 100% electrification, India can set a global example towards a clean transportation revolution. It is expected that if all of India's rides and deliveries are served by zero pollution Shunya vehicles, then it can avoid 1.2 gigatons of CO2 emissions to 30 kilotons of particulate matter and fuel of 60 lakh crore rupees over the lifetime of vehicles sold until 2035. The Shunya campaign is encouraging the corporates as well as consumers to do their part to eliminate pollution from urban mobility solutions. Till 5th of September 2022, the Shunya campaign program has 130 plus corporate partners such as various leading e-commerce companies, logistics, ride-hailing companies, manufacturing ecosystems, vehicle manufacturers, fleet aggregators and charging infrastructure providers to promote zero pollution mobility across the nation. Finally, we would like to cooperate with you according to the best of our knowledge. Keep your feedback and suggestions coming. They help us to provide you quality work that resonates your needs and requirements. Thanks much for sharing your kind suggestions. Keep healthy, keep learning, keep growing.